Welcome Money Finders, enriching the lives of people you touch. 10 most satisfying, fulfilling jobs and career opportunities. All jobs have unique advantages. Some jobs pay very well, other jobs are very stable, and some jobs have very flexible schedules. However, which jobs are truly the most satisfying? Of course, not everyone wants the same things out of a career. A lot of what makes a job satisfying is very personal. However, there are a few common factors that make a job fulfilling and enjoyable. What makes a job satisfying? For a job to be satisfying, it usually has to meet a number of requirements. For example, a job that earns you a lot of money is not necessarily fulfilling. A job that has very long hours might not feel satisfying. Again, everyone's version of a satisfying job varies. However, here are some factors that people tend to look for in a job that brings satisfaction. A. Money. Money definitely plays a role in making a job satisfying for most people. However, some studies have shown that money only increases one's satisfaction up to a certain point. Most people are satisfied as long as they have enough money to live on and some savings for security. B. Good relationships with co-workers. No matter how engaging and meaningful your job is, you are not going to look forward to going to work if you hate your boss and all your co-workers. That's why having good relationships with co-workers is also a major predictor of job satisfaction. Of course, the kind of people you're likely to get along with varies from person to person. In general, people tend to like others who are similar to themselves in personality, attitudes, culture, and so on. A job is more likely to be a good fit for you if at least a few of your co-workers have backgrounds or interests that match your own. However, good working relationships don't necessarily mean being friends with all your co-workers or even liking them personally. Rather, what matters most is being able to get help and support from them on the job when you need it. C. Work that benefits other people. For years, philosophers and parents have told us it's better to give than to receive, and nowhere does this statement ring more than true when it comes to job satisfaction. There is a growing body of evidence that shows helping others is a key ingredient for a life satisfaction. People who volunteer are less depressed and healthier. While a randomized study showed that performing a random act of kindness makes the giver happier than when receiving something. The researchers call this a helper's high. This is nothing new. In a study of workers across 5 generations, one of the most common statements around job satisfaction was helping others. Just look at our list of satisfying jobs again. Most of these have some altruistic quality to them, and even more than that, they connect to a higher purpose, whether working in the church or helping students or those in pain. D. A lack of major negatives. While most of the things we are looking at are requirements for job satisfaction, what's missing from your work is just as important. Some of the biggest sources of work dissatisfaction include a long commute, long or unpredictable working hours, feeling unrecognized through pay or praise, feeling like you are in danger, either physically or with job insecurity. Any of these qualities can quickly turn an otherwise satisfying job into a nightmare. Number 10. Teacher. Children and young people look up to their teachers, not only as educators of curriculum-based learning, but as pillars of wisdom who can inspire, guide, and encourage them while they establish their place in the world. Most of us will remember our favorite teachers even decades later because they were such a positive influence on our life and learning. There are many people out there who could benefit from your extensive skills and life experience in the classroom, and with dedicated programs to help experienced individuals retrain into the profession, there is no better time to learn to teach. Number 9. Firefighter. Being a firefighter means being part of a team that is dedicated to saving lives and property. rescuing people from house fires and traffic accidents, talking to school children about fire safety, and conducting fire prevention inspections in businesses can provide a real sense of achievement. Being satisfied as an emergency medical technician can be beneficial. Number 8. Pharmacist, caring beyond prescriptions and medicine. From being an excellent guide to helping patients during an emergency, pharmacists offer both advice and counseling. Besides helping patients tackle illnesses, being a pharmacist is all about empowerment, helping others to help themselves. Number 7. Dentist. Like doctors and English teachers, dentists are high in demand all over the world. By helping relieve dental pain and fixing cavities, dentures, and root canals, dentists can enjoy a satisfying career. Number 6. Physical therapists. Physical therapists help people recover from injuries or illnesses that cause them pain and restrict their movement. Using techniques like stretches, other exercises, and body manipulation, they help patients reduce their pain and improve their mobility. To become a physical therapist, you need to complete a Doctor of Physical Therapy DPT degree program, which usually takes 3 years after college. In some programs, you can earn your bachelor's degree and your DPT at the same time over 6 or 7 years. Number 5. Human Resource Manager. Human Resources HR managers oversee an organization's recruiting, interviewing, and hiring processes. They also handle other internal issues including conflicts between employees and management, salary and benefit issues, and more. Number 4. Nurse. If you're a natural nurturer, then a career as a nurse could be a very fulfilling way to spend your time. Nurses work with doctors and other healthcare professionals to try to ease or eradicate the discomfort of patients who are injured or unwell. A nursing career carries a great sense of purpose because every day you are responsible for helping to nurse patients away from sickness and towards health. With such a high demand for nurses, there are now apprenticeship routes into nursing for those who are willing to first get a job as a healthcare assistant, or for those that would rather take the traditional route. There are plenty of universities around the country who offer vocational nursing degrees, and it's now very common to see people adapting nursing as a career later in life when they have the advantage of life experience. Although nursing may vary a slightly longer training period than some other rewarding professions, the role comes with a great degree of flexibility and plenty of opportunities to progress into more senior roles. Number 3. Chief Executive. Are you a big picture person who enjoys developing strategies and setting goals? Chief executives are in charge of the overall management of a company. They formulate policies, approve contracts, and provide direction for senior managers. Training in business administration or management will serve you well in this career. Number 2. Clergy. The clergy is a broad field covering religious leaders of all faiths, such as priests, ministers, pastors, deacons, imams, and rabbis. Clergy members lead religious worship services and provide spiritual and moral guidance for the members of their congregation. They lead prayers, read from holy books, deliver sermons, and plan or lead religious education programs. The requirements for becoming a clergy member vary by faith, but most clergy members have a college degree and some additional on-the-job training. Number 1. Entrepreneur. Be your own boss. Starting your own business and being your own boss is a dream that millions of people share. A recent study found that 63% of millennials want to become entrepreneurs. Passion plus dedication plus innovations equals a satisfying career path. What do you think makes a job satisfying? Let us know in the comments below. Money Finders, we hope you've enjoyed this video. Keep the discussion going in the comment section. Find us on all social media platforms. Like and subscribe to support our channel. Thank you for watching. Until next time, goodbye.